you're experiencing an installation loop with Cyberpunk 2077, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you get back into the game quickly. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure your PC meets the minimum system requirements for Cyberpunk 2077. If your hardware is insufficient, it may cause installation issues. Step 2. Restart your computer. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve installation problems. Reboot your computer and try launching the installation again. Step 3. Disable antivirus software. Your antivirus may be interfering with the installation process. Temporarily disable it and attempt to install the game again. Remember to re-enable it afterward. Step 4. Clear temporary files. Clearing temporary files can help eliminate any corrupted data that may be causing the loop. Use the disk cleanup tool or manually delete files in the temp folder. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If the previous steps do not work, uninstall Cyberpunk 2077 completely and then reinstall it. This can help reset any installation issues. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the installation loop and enjoy Cyberpunk 2077 without further interruptions.